Arutani 58 ni marugamitio wira ni kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani TSC thutha wa kwerekana ni mangatheirie mutaratara mweru wa mathomo wa CBC. Gatagati-ini ka acio 58 22 ni arutani anene kuma thukuru 34 aria maumite gicigo-ini kia Mashuru kaunti-ini ya Kajiado. Kuringana na mwandiki munene kiama-ini kia arutani gitaro-ini kia Rift Valley NAT Eli Korinko akiuga iyo ni njira imwe ya kwagira arutani acio kiene.
They've interdicted 22 head teachers and deputies and senior teachers, and even we wonder what was the role of the deputy head teacher and even a senior teacher in the CBC training. Elsewhere they were never invited.
There is a lot of injustice here. We can't say any reason why a whole zone is the only one which did not go for CBC training.
Korinko ni athingatite kuga itacokia riri riahota gukorwo rigicungirerio ni ndugamano iria ikoretwo ho gatagati ga kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC na kiama kiu.
The CBC training never took place in all sub-county, even 50%. So why target Mashuru? We tend to think there is a sinister motive behind it. And this is malicious, it is intimidating and blackmail. And as the leadership of the teachers, we shall not take it lightly.
Tunasema walimu wetu warudishwe kazi na hakuna dhambi wametenda na haki tendeke, na hatutaki kuambiwa kwamba kuna walimu watatolewa Senya waje hapa kureplace hao.
Ihinda-ini riu mwandiki munene wa kiama kia NAT kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Macharia Mugwe ni ahinyiriirie kuga uthuthuria Baraginyo ni ugutafanio niguo gukinyira kihumo kia ndugamano ino. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wanjiru wa Gatia.